What's the motherfucking deal, YouTube? It's your boy, man, ATH the Great, man, back here with another motherfucking unboxing video. I got these from, as you see over there, man, my man TL Ricks. You know what I'm saying? Got these motherfuckers for a good price from them. Man, y'all boys better go over there, man, and pick you up some shit from TL Ricks, man. Y'all better go over there and pick up some shit from them, man. Good prices. You know what I'm saying? You know, so go ahead and bust this bad boy open. I got another package coming from him. I thought I was gonna get here today, but shit, you know, I know it's on its way, so I don't be tripping on shit like that. So I ain't tripping. It'll probably be here tomorrow. I'm gonna have a couple more. Well, I'm gonna have that unboxing probably tomorrow, and then I got another one coming on Friday. But let me tell you guys now, it's not fucking shoes, so y'all probably already know what it is. That I'm gonna have coming on Friday. I am very excited about that shit, so I will be doing an unboxing on that. So y'all gotta stay tuned, man. So if you watch my channel, make sure on motherfucking Friday, that's when my package is supposed to get here. Make sure on Friday that you tune in. You know what I'm saying? Whether if you watch me for shoes or not. Because that unboxing, to me, is going to be one of my epic unboxings. So, but let's get to what I picked up from TL Ricks, man. Shouts out to TL Ricks 72. There's only one motherfucking TL Ricks, bitch. Motherfucking niggas, man, going around and fucking goddamn trying to impersonate people and shit like that, man. Y'all some motherfucking hoes. That's all I'm gonna say. And I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna move on to this. As y'all already see, it's a Nike box. Bubble wrap. Thank you very much, TL. Thank you very much. Websites. A lot of you guys. Take heed. This is how a shoe's supposed to come, man. This is how you should do people's shit. Okay? So, let's get into these Jones. Did I even cut this? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I don't want to fuck up the box. You know how some dudes, they get all fucking hurting their ass behind the box. But not me. I don't wear boxes. I wear shoes.
Another life taken too soon. Another mother had a funeral. Still water run deep. And the pain is forever alive inside. Makes it hard to sleep. But I keep going, going. Should I'm always careful when I walk.
See right here, size 12. Air Jordan. Retro 1. High OG. Black varsity red. And white. I think y'all guys already know what these are, man. Yes. Oh yes. You got your authentic, sorry. Make sure I get that right for the sneakerheads. They might get all fucking hurting their ass. You said the name wrong. Bitch, I've been doing this for 15 years. Shut your little motherfucking ass up. Anyway, you got your authentic Bred ones. Early released. Set to come out on the 28th of this month. Dope ass shoe, man. I will do an in-depth review on these, cause I know everybody's gonna have theirs up and out when the shoes get ready to release. So go ahead and do mine. I'm sorry, y'all, man. I'm a little under the weather. Like I said, man, I think, Lord, guess a lot of us are, man, have been lately. So, like I said, man, shouts out to TL Ricks, man, for this, man. I appreciate you, man, a great deal. You got the shoelaces right there, red ones. These I'm probably gonna use those. So, like I told you guys before, I wasn't really big on ones until like this year. But these right here, man, these are a classic, man. You know, if you even into ones or anything like that, you gotta have these. So, I ain't gotta go stand in no damn line, I tell you that. Ain't gotta go stand in no damn line at all. I know these are size smaller than what I normally wear. I wear 13s, but shit.
Let them know it ain't a sweet
ones, I can do 12, man.
The only joint made this year that'll knock to 2003.
I ain't gotta go stand the fucking line.
That the hottest nigga out there was.
Like most of you other cats, you guys who are these 100% authentic, shut your motherfucking ass up, nigga. Oh man, anyway man, that's my unboxing, man, real quick. Like I said, I'll have another one probably coming tomorrow. Got another pickup from my boy TL Ricks. Like I said, I have another dope unboxing coming on Friday. But it's not shoes, you guys, so y'all guys, if you follow me, you already know probably what it is. So if it's not shoes, it's probably, what do you think? So man, also man, y'all gotta stay tuned, man. Me and my brother, we are going to a wrestling event on Wednesday. So we'll be doing some postings, and also I'll be putting some videos out just for our, our outing and stuff like that. So y'all gotta stay tuned for that. So yeah, man, it's gonna be a pretty busy, good week, man. I hope so. So I hope y'all guys, man, enjoyed y'all weekend. Hope y'all enjoyed y'all first day back at the job. Christmas is next week. So again, man, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everybody out there, man. It's your boy ATS the Great, man. I'm out. Oh yeah, once again, shout out to my boy TL Ricks for this right here. Okay, so, and again, it's only one motherfucking TL Ricks, bitch.